Hi there! Today we're going to show how to install the ODROID-N2 and N2 Plus on the back of your monitor using the ameriDroid-N2 VESA mount bracket and the ODROID-H2 VESA mount bracket combined together. So first we unbox everything. As you can see, a spot to put the connector for the H2 VESA mount bracket into it. So we install the screws and the nuts. Now the VESA mount bracket for the N2 that we've created is compatible with the hole spacing on the ODROID-N2 and the ODROID-N2 Plus. You'll notice that the standoffs here have a hex nut on the thread, and that is to add as a spacer so that the hex nut does not come in contact with the N2 or the N2 Plus's main board. Make sure to leave that hex nut on there. Finish tightening the screws there, and then as you'll see, it slides right on. Obviously, you'll want to have it facing so that it only slides in from the top when you're putting it on the monitor, otherwise you'll have some issues. So here I have it wrong because I had it facing to the side, but we'll actually want to have it facing to the top like this. There you go. So most monitors have VESA mount spacings on the back, and they generally don't use that for the stand. Some monitors do, some monitors don't. For the monitors that don't, you can use those spacings to mount this right on your monitor. So it's a good idea to check your monitor that you want to use this on before you install it. Now the N2 will slide right on. The ODROID-N2 case will fit and work with this just fine. So now you've got basically an all-in-one PC without the trouble of having an all-in-one PC. I don't know if you've ever tried to repair one of those before, but they're really difficult. This makes it super easy. Also keeps the cables off your desk and the N2 out of your way.